Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Orange color. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. C for cap. D. D for dog. D for donut. E. E for eggplant. E for egg. Yellow color. F. F for fish. F for fruit. G. G for goat. G for girl. H. H for hen. H for house. I. I for eyes. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J for joker. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. We use green color. 1, O-N-E, 1, 2, T-W-O, 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 4, F-O-U-R, 4, 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Purple color. 6, S-I-X, 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 8, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 10, T-E-N, 10. Kids, what we learn today? We learn orange color, green color, yellow color, purple color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.